Leimakhong Area Protection Committee LAPC organized a peace rally today at Leimakhong area as directed by Committee on Tribal Unity Kotu. Speaking to media, LAPC Chairman K. Ihovum highlighted that such rallies were organized in various places of Kangpokpi in protest against the restriction of movement by the army. He appealed to concerned authorities for free movement in the area while stating that the closure of Army Gate has caused hindrances in movement.
There was a peaceful rally in Leimakhong area comprising of 28 villages. This rally was conducted in pursuance to Kotu instructions that all locations under Kangpokpi district should organize a protest rally against the closure of Army Gate in Leimakhong. This closure of the road have created a lot of hardship for the public, the two districts, especially for the Kuki people. Because in this ethnic conflict times, both the communities could not see eye to eye, and therefore the Kuki people could not use the very roads. Therefore, the only hilly road coming across this Leimakhong area has been closed, and it creates a lot of difficulties for our various daily needs. We have been cooperating with the army authority in trying to find out the missing persons, whoever community may be. The Leimakhong area people are always with the authority. They have been supporting the army. They are not creating any obstruction in the combing operation of the Leimakhong villages. Therefore, when we are very cooperative, why the road should be closed to us? This is our only lifeline. Therefore, the high authority at every level should consider reopening the road at the earliest.